Good afternoon, my dear student. In the last lecture, we were discussing the hardware modeling. Data flow, behavioral and structural. We were discussing the XNOR gate VHDL programming. This Y is assigned to A XNOR B. That category belongs to data flow design. Fine. If I wanted to design the XOR gate by using suppose behavioral, then what I need to do? I need to use if else statement with the truth table. And suppose if I will go for a structural, then I need to design like what is my XOR gate, that is AB plus A bar B. Suppose this one I wanted to design. So what I need to do in a structural designing, here this belongs to my AND gate. This belongs to AND gate and this belongs to NOT gate because I am doing inverting my both the input, and this belongs to OR gate. So first of all I need to call this 3 gate and then do the mapping, that is called port mapping. Later we will definitely design this. Fine. These are another circuits like XOR, NAND and all in their waveforms. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask me. Now next, today we are going to discuss sequential circuit VHDL programming, that is a JK flip-flop and a D flip-flop, and obtain its number of gates, area, power dissipation. Fine. As far as JK flip-flop is concerned, this is the JK flip-flop 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1. So this is a truth table. If my both the inputs are, why we are focusing on truth table? Because generally we design the sequential circuit using behavioral modeling. That is more convenient. But structural is also somewhere and another way is authenticated if I am designing a complex circuitry. So in JK, when my both input are 0 and clock is 1. Clock is 1 means clock tick event and clock is going to be 1. In that time my event is going to be occur. So there is no change, means whatever is the previous value that is going to be come here. 1 0 you will have 1, means when my J is going to be 1 and K is 0, output will be 1. When my J is 0 and K is 1, output is 0. When both are 1, then toggles. Toggles means suppose my last output is 0, so it is going to be 1, and my last input is 1, so it is going to be 0, or vice versa. That is the theory part of my JK flip-flop. It should be clear before writing the programming. What is the D flip-flop? D flip-flop is simple. Whatever input I am getting, that goes to the output part when my clock is at rising edge. See, 0 0 1 1. Fine. And generally you can only make Q, but why we take Q bar? Because sometimes we design the JK flip-flop SR using D flip-flop, and many a times single input, single output registers or clock, so many other sequential circuit are going to design using D flip-flop. So we take the both part. Now first of all the programming of JK flip-flop. These are the library which you need to include. Now entity, that is clock, reset, JK is my input, STD logic, QN. Q is my input, QN is supposed to be considered as Q bar. Architecture is going to be taken. Now one signal is going to be taken. Why we need one signal? Look at here. This Q bar output is coming to this NAND gate and this one here. So for that we require one signal. Now process में clock and reset is going to be there, and then we are taking one variable, that is JK. Now signal and variable I already explained you. Both are the data object. but variable take instant value. That's why I am including variable after the process and before the begin. And signal has a wire connection. Fine. So begin. When my reset is 0, nothing should be done. But else का मतलब क्या हो गया? Like my reset is 1 and clock tick even and clock is going to be 1. Then JK, what should be JK? One more thing you need to assign. Signal is going to assign like what? This way. And variable is going to assign by this. This is very important. So JK is my variable. I am assigning it as J and K. J and K means J plus K. Now I am applying the case JK. Here I use the nested hardware modeling. Means behavioral plus data flow. Here I use the data flow. Now behavioral case statement 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 not of FF means this is my variable. So whatever is my last value, this is going to be there. When others means when 0 0, then no change is going to be there. And case, and if, and process. That is a designing, and its waveform is this. It is very well going to be clear. See 0 0, no change. Then 1 0, my Q is 1. When 0 1, Q is 0. Fine. And when both are 1, so my output was 0, then it get toggle and get 1. Fine. And here again it is 1 1. So again as the clock is changing, so output is changing. Thank you.